Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by installing the Job Analytics extension from the Chrome Web Store. Grant the requested permissions so it can read job pages and company data securely. Open the extension and choose Connect to add your ATS account using an API key. Enter the key exactly and select the correct production or sandbox environment. Click Verify to confirm the connection. Wait for data sync to complete for the past 30 days. Proceed only after the extension reports a successful sync status. Open dashboards and click Create New to build a custom view for hiring metrics. Add up to 5 widgets showing pipeline stages, source breakdown, and average time to hire. Configure each widget by selecting a metric, visualization type, and whether to show raw counts or percentages. Apply filters for date range, department, and job level to narrow results. Save the dashboard as a template with a clear name. Share the template with teammates by assigning role-based view or edit permissions. Use the Analysis tab to identify trends and anomalies across hiring funnels and sources. Enable anomaly detection to flag shifts greater than 25% in conversion rates. Click any chart to drill into a specific job or candidate cohort for detailed timelines and source attribution. Review candidate notes, stage durations, and offer acceptance rates in the drill view for context. Export selected reports as CSV or PDF for sharing. Schedule auto.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.